All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to as well. I am in a 2017 Chevrolet Equinox, all right? Now, today I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers, okay? So right now I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle. I'm going to look through the steering wheel. You see this lever right here? This is where you control the windshield wipers. And what I'm going to do to turn them on, I'm going to first pull it up. That's intermittent mode. Do it again, that's low mode. Do it again, that's high mode. And to turn them off, I go all the way back down to off, just like that. Now to control the rear window washer wiper, I just simply, there's a little button on the side. I just press it up and look in the back, it turns on. Now turn it off, I just go back to off, okay? All right, now there's windshield washer fluid, okay? If you wanna wash your windows, okay? Take this lever, pull it towards you. Look at that, it's washing the windows. And to wash the rear, push it away and it washes the rear.